Well-known hustler, climbed up from the tailbone when the world don't want us. Plus your niggas be dumping and shooting for cups like some elbow jumpers. Put my cell phone, niggas rubber, they silicone. Titty got a red bone and a headstone like Biggie said, boy, you're dead wrong. Yeah, I get it, I want it, I want it, I own it, I own it, I'm on it, I'm on it. Let's get it, I'm with it, Yo city, I'm in it, What they gon' say now? What they gon' say now? They really in the way now.
Hey, what they gon' say now? We living, bitch.
What they gon' say now? What they gon' say now? They all got a pack now.
Yo, I can't just be giving up free game.
You see me winning, I don't play to lose. Yeah, I break them, I don't play by rules. I get options, I can pick and choose. Pop a perky just to change the mood. Close the curtains on the phantom. They can see me if they try to. Don't come around trying to step beside me. I can see the hate with my side blue. Triple links on, take them too. Oxed out clock, cuckoo. I'm in the city, I just passed through. Answer me when I ask you. What they gon' say now?
Hell yeah.
When you rich like this, you gon' try to forecast every day's gonna rain. Yeah, made a brick do a break, I ain't whip up shit, that's pure cocaine. Yeah, from the streets, but I got a little sense, but I had to go coop no brain. I ain't worried about you, I'ma do what I do, and I do my thing. All the brand new shoes, all the kick rocks, I'm stand too close, diamonds. Kick rocks, they ain't red, me and gold, so I don't stop. I know they can kiss me, but keep watching. You think I done turn into a fiend for these bitches? Tryna stuff as much as I can, and these bitches make your bitch fuck on my band. There's no difference, I ain't never poppin' no sand. I sip scissors. If I ever have to turn on the game, I won't do it. If I put it in the song, I send it to Ben. I can't put it in my song, I know how the fed goes. Scream free out of the house, but I ain't no fan boom. Gave my mama 10 bands, sent it to Cancun. Got the crowd going down, but I ain't no damn fool. If I went in there and did it, they made it, you can too. But then came a long way from broken shit and shoes. When you rich like this, you don't try to forecast every day's gonna rain. Yeah, made a brick do a break, I ain't whip up shit, that's pure cocaine. Yeah, from the streets, but I got a little sense, but I had to go coop no brain. I ain't worried about you, I'ma do what I do, and I do my thing. When you rich like this, you can check the forecast, every day's gonna rain. Yeah, made a brick do a break, I ain't whip up shit, that's pure cocaine. Yeah, from the streets, but I got a little sense, but I had to go coop no brain. I ain't worried about you, I'ma do what I do, and I do my thing. Got $250,000 in a book bag, new era, I'm a dope boy, no cap. I'm living my best life for real. Just left the dealership, no tag. If we opposite, it won't work, it won't last. Get the opposite knocked off, toe tag. I ain't been home in a month, got my whole mad. They need me in the trap, but I can't go back. I don't know the poor with $100 slab. I got M's in the bank, give a damn with this thing. Every rap I ever shot my shot at, called it. Everything you ever see me riding, bought it. Big dog status, I ain't got a sip drugs. Put my craft in the rap, then I took off, yeah. New G-Wagon, no key, this a push start. I can hit the gas, make it different up here. When you rich like this, you can check the forecast, every day's gonna rain. Yeah, made a brick do a break, I ain't whip up shit, that's pure cocaine. Yeah, from the streets, but I got a little sense, but I had to go coop no brain. I ain't worried about you, I'ma do what I do, and I do my thing. When you rich like this, you can check the forecast, every day's gonna rain. Yeah, made a brick do a break, I ain't whip up shit, that's pure cocaine. Yeah, from the streets, but I got a little sense, but I had to go coop no brain. I ain't worried about you, I'ma do what I do, and I do my thing.
Down, freezing cold, that's how we already know. When it's here, my dog will probably do it for a Louis belt. That's just all he know, he don't know nothing else. I tried to show him. Yeah, I tried to show him. Yeah. Gone on you with the pick and roll. Younger flame, he in sicko mode.